question e bi so omo ne say mo documentation a e ma mo kwan ma mo ye de mo ye no e wo hefa na avempo wuti.
Welcome to the Political Round with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Yo, Charlie, galamsey no say there. I say, obi on your marks, ready? Hey, just how many days in here? Is he 21 days, 3 weeks in power? And almost all our forest cover is almost gone. The forest cover is almost gone. Now, hey, if you see the level of distraction that they are visiting on our forest reserves and our water bodies, no. Mobo, papa. Now, I'm not surprised. The reason I'm not surprised, they say, "Mo, asemwe no, and you say yankan, ya. You see, we were telling NDC say, governance no a continuum. The issues that affect us as a nation no, there. If one political party is not able to solve it, they will hand it over to the next political party. Now, because of that, no, most of the time you have to cooperate with the existing government or the current government to ensure, say, they win whichever fight they are engaged in. So that when you come now, you can come and continue from where they ended. Omwanti. And this is for there be Ebra Akufo-Addo say ordinary presidency better line as well. If we had gotten the current president Mahama say to also come and say I support Akufo-Addo in the fight against galamsey. Now Obia Akufo-Addo be arrested biano. Me Mahama kura me win election me ba me fan cheni pana. Like by now, like today, and now Kasano, Ebia galamsey fight will have won it. Ebia will have won the galamsey fight. But what did we see? We saw now English word by can make example. We saw what Ben I use here. We saw gross hypocrisy. Hypocrisy. Esan say na ye nim say galamsey asem no e high ankasa. Esan say ensure Ghana Water Company was works on and the kind of chemicals they use no. Omo bie ensure na it doesn't know MPP house, NDC house. And if there are disease conditions, there are repercussions of contaminated water. Eco infecti obia. It doesn't know say where NDC needs to infect the person, where MPP needs to infect the person. It doesn't know any of those.
The first question they be so among say, mo documentation a ma mo kwan ma mo ye de mo ye no e wo hefa. Na avempo wuti, there was no document to that effect. It was part of the reason why we decided say as citizens, as the law requires, you know, you bear what we call the citizens arrest. You see, that time no, na ye Akufo-Addo aban into obia born in some yeso say ya de. Na now tell the American, obia celebrate your Ghana has ya de, especially the NDC people. Now ye kwa ye na ye kwache China for ni wie ye no. Forestry gas for bo mo homode ekwo ho, excavators ni bi ho mo kwhye no. We went back again to do a follow-up story. Ye kwa ye no ampa excavators no mo clear ni nyina de ayeden. E be free forest ni. And NDC ni bi ti krom ha. Ono no timi text message bisa say na Akufo-Addo time aye galamsey wan kan ho asem. NDC time na be kan ho asem. So wo ka sa asem na, it means you don't even know what you are talking about and you have not followed this platform for a very long time. What you say? Now we are coming to the substantial issues.
And no na person NDC for mu, then they should have joined MPP in the fight against galamsey. Instead, no, now Crawford say Tony Obin, and then in Crawford, no, now they were all over. Now jumping from one galamsey pit to the other. Mo, I make a say most of the people engaged in galamsey no omu NDC for. When I said the people had issues, and then they said MPP for now muye galamsey. After the NPP nearby mu bobiomo. Yes, said there were some big men out more MPP mu na muye galamsey. MPP nearby mu. NDC newa abai mu sese. Eti muchi di say, do you believe say NDC will be in power and then MPP people will be doing galamsey and they will be quiet? NDC will be quiet? No. Why is NDC quiet? NDC is quiet because they know that the very people who are engaged in this atrocious act against our water bodies, against our land, no, they are their folks, NDC folks. Now, I thought they be a wait na ya me di nyami nipa be mu ha yaw. This is why sometimes I feel hurt at the kind of statement some of our men go make. Bekaya, I mean, the public can say now Kobon Paye ma MPP for some winning election. Now Koko saw Kobon Paye no. He went to meet the spirit of the water and the spirit of the land. I know Muka say, my name Bon Paye be my MPP for now. MPP for now assassin. And I will be Wakumapa. And if I Wakumapa no say no, or no the galamsey promise naba. Now ya one of the constituency. If you see the kind of excavators that are entering the bushes, kind of war. No wonder. When you have more 5 ministers for the same thing, no? Because now galamsey no concern about with climate change. It's a man appointed climate change minister and another minister for environment and science and technology, another minister for land and natural resources, another person for water. When you can nanu nankana foko for bayo omwamu jejereje nanu ya namudi bayo mwamu jejereje. Now say na ya dey na asem na ye dey. I am sure yeah by 2028 no there will be no forest cover anywhere where there is gold deposit any longer. And I'm showing there after number be say nangasa river pra near a cobra and the rest. After number be say nangasa. Share the galamsey kingpins are back to power. Now, you po moon refia the moon refia semo. Munka semo. I shall want ni microphone that be na mba yemaemu. Was it not under John Mahama? Now this one there is going to be a collaboration. Now who call galamsey pit no and I say who call forest China 4 on this side, NDC 4 on the other side. No mu ye galamsey, no mu dig, no mu sense you, no. Obi aso temi kasa esa nse mona muka say omunya tipe say ma win election no pe omu fa munya na muko bush nim. You see, politics must be elevated. We must elevate our body politics. We must do better politicking. That will help advance the cause of Ghana, not the cause of any political party. It is not about a political party. It is about what is best for Ghana. And that is what we have been preaching. But NDC does not want to listen. NDC never wants to listen. Now, there's more power. We shall see. Now, Crawford now Moka say, Omuye face the country for the Yamaniamano. After na Babel. We shall all see if John Mahama is indeed willing to fight galamsey and willing to arrest his own people. This has been the political rant with me, the voice, right here on Ghana and Sem TV. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, turn on the notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified. Until then, bye bye. See you in the next one. Cheers.